Question 8. A coat was priced £64 after a 20% reduction. What was the original price? Look for this word, original. We know that's going to be a reverse percentage question. We don't get many of these. Usually, I tell you for percentages, you always are multiplying. But here, because we're given the final answer, it's effectively doing the reverse. So, a number multiplied by, well, it's a 20% reduction, so it's going to be 0.8. So it should be 100%, so 20% reduction gives us £64. So I want to find out what x is, so I have to divide by 0.8. So x equals 64 divided by 0.8. And with our calculator, we can work that out. And it's £80. What you can't do is work out 20% and add it on. Unfortunately, that wouldn't give you the right answer. It might give you something close that you could then adapt, but because they're looking for the working, you really need to do it by the dividing method. So remember, it's a 20% reduction, so that's 100% take away 20%, which is 80%, and 80% is 0.8. Okay? A car bought for £15,000 loses 15.5% of its value each year. What's its value after 10 years? So, again, we start with 100%. When we take away the 15.5% is its losing value, and that leaves us with 84.5%, which as a multiplier is going to be 0.845. If you're just turning it to a decimal, you're dividing by 100. So if we do 15,000 times by 0.845, that will give us the value after 1 year. But we actually want it after 10. So you want to do that 10 times. So 15,000 times 0.845 times 0.845 times 0.845. Each time you work it out, you get the next year. Or we can shortcut it by doing to the power of 10. So we do 15,000 times by 0.845 and then to the power of 10. And it comes to 2,783.93. So that's £2,783.93. If it was a increase in value, so for example putting money in a bank, rather than taking away 15.5%, we would have been adding 15.5%, so you'd end up with 1.155. Okay, worth mentioning that because compound interest questions can be reduction or increase.